ఆల్ ఇండియా నీట్ ర్యాంకుల్లో శ్రీ చైతన్య విద్యా సంస్థ అగ్రస్థానంలో నిలిచింది. ఈ రోజు విడుదలైన నీట్ ఫలితాల్లో శ్రీ చైతన్య విద్యార్థులు ఆల్ ఇండియా ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్తో పాటు టాప్ ర్యాంకులతో రాణించారు. విద్యార్థులు కావిష్, దివ్య, సమీర్, ధీరజ్ కుమార్, వరుణ్ టాప్ ర్యాంకులు సాధించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా శ్రీ చైతన్య విద్యా సంస్థల అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ సుష్మా మాట్లాడుతూ అనితర సాధ్యమైన ప్రోగ్రాంలు, మైక్రో షెడ్యూల్స్, ర్యాంకింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్, నిరంతరం శ్రమించే ఫ్యాకల్టీల వల్ల అత్యుత్తమ ర్యాంకులు సాధించామని చెప్పారు. వచ్చే అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్లో సరికొత్త ఏఐ టెక్నాలజీతో నీట్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ శిక్షణ ఇస్తున్నట్లు, అందువల్లే నీట్ ప్రవేశాల కోసం దేశవ్యాప్తంగా విద్యార్థులు శ్రీ చైతన్యనే కోరుకుంటున్నారని వివరించారు.
Excitement today, as you can see, there's so many kids around. Very excited to be here to celebrate this with us. A lot of parents here, a lot of faculty, administrators here as well for this event. 2025 NEET has been a very unique paper. If we look back to 2018 NEET and 19 NEET, I think it's similar to that, but much better in standard compared to those papers. So it's a very crucial year and a turning point for all students preparing for NEET exam, even for the future. 2025 NEET result has been announced today around 12:30 p.m. So that's why a lot of kids could not make it in time today because the duration is very short. And if we look at this particular exam, our Sri Chaitanya students have done very well, like every single year. This year, starting with mains result, then advanced result, and in between a lot of MCET results, and now the NEET result. This is the last result of the academic year, and then we move on to preparing our kids for the next year going forward. If we look at the 2025 NEET, there are about 22 lakh students who have attempted this exam, out of which 12.7 lakh students are female students and 9.37 lakh students are boys. So the contribution of girl students is much higher in NEET. There is a 3 lakh difference. When we look at qualifying, about 55% of the total count has qualified in NEET 2025. That is about 12.36 lakh students have qualified overall. NEET exam is conducted for 720 marks with 180 questions. 144 mark is the cutoff for qualifying. In general category, if a student scores 144 mark and above, they have qualified in the exam. At Sri Chaitanya, we're all focused on mainly increasing the seat-getting ranks of students because we understand the passion in the parent, we understand the passion in the student, how much drive they will have and they must have to prepare for NEET.
And if you're asking about my preparation journey, it has been like a hustle. For the past 2 years, it has been a grinding for this time that I have done. Like many times there were ups and downs. I wasn't able to focus at times because my paper the test could have gone a good result or a bad result, and after that I would get really sad. But the thing that kept me going was that I had a goal, and that goal was to become a good human and to serve the nation. And I thought that being a doctor would help me do that work. And for that I thought that small problems that are coming in my life aren't going to change much, but my only target that should be achieved, and for that I worked every day, and then I got these results. I think that's only my success story, and that's my motivation, that's only my mantra. One thing that I have to, that my life should go on and I should achieve what I want.
These 2 years, as everyone knows, NEET is one of the most toughest competitive exams in India, and this 2 years journey is very crucial in one's life to achieve what they want. Of course, the support of our faculty, our lecturers, which have been provided to us, was ultimate, and my support of our parents, my sister, and everyone who have been with me in these 2 years and supported me no matter what the ups and downs. Thank you everyone, and all the best to all the students who aspire to take this platform and they want to become now.
బెంగళూరుకు చెందిన ఇండియన్ ఐకాన్ సంస్థ వివిధ